Hi children, so the problem is given now. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. The problem is given xz plus y is equal to 7z, yz plus 8 x equal to 8z, x plus y plus z is equal to 12. Then find the value of x, y and z. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel. Like this only Olympiad critical and logical tough questions will be uploaded from this channel. So you cannot find the questions in any other channels. So here different model questions will be uploaded. So here pause the video for 10 seconds before going to this problem. You may get some ideas to do this problem, otherwise you will continue the solution. So here first what is given now? Xz plus y is equal to 7z. So yz plus x is equal to 8z. So let it be 1 now. This is a 2. So what I am going to do is adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So when you add 1 and 2, here z is common. Z into x plus y. Here 1 you can take common. X plus y is equal to 15z. Adding this 7z and 8z you will get 15z. So here you can take common x plus y common. Here z plus 1, x plus y into z plus 1 is equal to 15z. So here from the third equation, what is given? X plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is 12. So from this you can get x plus y value. X plus y value, let it be 4. Let it be 4. Okay. So here 12 minus z. X plus y value is 12 minus z. Now replace here x plus y. So if you replace x plus y in 4, substitute this in 4. This value in 4. Okay, what will get now? So z plus 1 into 12 minus z is equal to 15z. So here if you multiply this 12z plus 12 minus z square minus z is equal to 15z. So if you solve this, what will get here? Z square, sending all the terms to that side, plus 15z minus 12z, plus 12z will become minus 12z, plus z minus 12 equal to 0. So here you will get a quadratic, z square minus 4z minus 12 equal to 0. So here if you take the factors, z square plus 6z minus 2z minus 12 equal to 0. Directly I am writing z plus 6 into z minus 2 equal to 0. Z is equal to minus 6 or 2. So you got the values of z, minus 6 or 2. Now you got the values of z. Now we will take first case. If z value is minus 6, then x plus y value from 3. X plus y value is 18. X plus y value is 18. So here x plus y value 12 minus z. Minus of minus 12 plus 6, 18 you will get. So if you take the first equation, 6x plus y is equal to minus 42 from the first equation. This is from third equation. So what is first equation means here? Xz plus y equal to 7z. In that if you substitute, you will get this one. Now multiply this with 6. what will get 6x plus 6y is equal to 108 minus 6x plus y is equal to minus 42. Now if you solve this, what will get 7y, 6x cancel, 7y is equal to 66. So y value is 66 by 7. Now replace this in this equation. X plus y is equal to 18. So here x is equal to 18 minus 66 by 7. So x is equal to 126 minus 66 by 7. So x value what will get here is equal to 60 by 7. So this is the first case, z value minus 6. So if you take case 2, z value is 2. Then what will get x plus y is equal to 10 from the third equation. So if you take first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 14. It is from first equation. Substitute the value 2 in the place of z. Now subtracting these two, 2x plus y is equal to 14. So the symbols will change here. So here y get cancelled. Minus x is equal to minus 4. X equal to 4. Substitute here, x plus y is equal to 10 plus 4 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 4. So y is equal to 6. So here what is the x value in the first case? 60 by 7. First case x value 60 by 7. Y value 66 by 7. Z value 6. This is the first case. So if you take the second case, x value 4, y value 6, z value 2. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again.